Ligasyon. Okay, so ito yung naging question ka. Ito yung naging question mo sa ani Jerome. Coach, pag naka-ground and pound ka pa, ano yung sa legs, kailangan ba tight or loose? Imagine nyo na lang sa guard. Pag naka-guard kayo, when you're closing your guard, upper body, relax. Pero guard close. And when you need to open your guard, relax the legs, upper body, close. So you cannot close both kasi you are very static, matatanggal ka, or you cannot be loose by both sa makakawala. Pag nasa ground ako, example, I already have the position to pound him, yung base ko, matigas. Kung matigas ang legs, anong loose? Kamay. Bam, 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 bam. At kung sinimulan na yan tumakas, dito na ako control ko. Legs ko, loose na. Okay? Why? Because pag may upper body control ako at loose na legs, maybe I could transition. Okay? So, pag na-establish ko na, tight, pound, pound, pound. When he tries to escape, relax, upper body control. Okay? Maybe I could do some more pound, pero mababa, pero ito is exactly my control. Legs ko loose because why? Maybe I could get a position that I want to. For example. But that only happened kasi yung legs ko loose. Kasi the moment na tigasan ko to, magpadali ako mag-position. Yes, mo ako. Pakawala. Okay? Sapat. Kung lahat naman masyadong loose. Kanina, a while ago, masyadong loose, masyadong tight. Ito naman, lahat loose na. Loose ang legs na, takasyon. Mabilis ako mawawala sa posisyon.
Pag full guard to, ano naman nag-a-adjust?
Full guard naman tayo. Balikan ko yung same principle ha. If the lower body is tight, the upper body is loose. If the lower body is loose, the upper body is tight. So pag ang lower body ko is tight, upper body is loose. Maybe I could do something. Ako na dyan, tumutulong ako. When I need to loose my legs, upper body is tight. Tight, loose. Okay? I need to close my legs, arms, loose na naman. Kasi the moment na manigas lahat ng literally static position ka. At pag nag-loose naman lahat, loose ka. Right? So mamimili ka ng timing. When do you need to tighten your legs and loosen your arm? When do you need to loosen your arm and tighten your legs? Ako ang basic principle ko on the offense, pag nasa offense ka lalo na sa mount, tighten this pound. And when he moves, loosen this, tighten this. Right? Pero talaga yung basa-basa makuha nyo naman yung training. Basta huwag nyo lang pagsabayin yung matigas sa katawan nyo kasi mabilis kayo mag-bilip ko. Masyado gusto, mabilis na siya makakal. Get? Or, nagtag na rin. So, kung magpa-pound kayo, galagin nyo na rin ng mga forearm, last na rin kakakon. Mga nag-itak sa bagay. Mamaya ako nagigit ko na yung insight eh. Again, we're just scoring for points. A question is pounding if he's blocking properly. I'm not scoring points. No, you may not be scoring the punch, but visually and by the judge, you are scoring pa rin. Kasi dominante ka eh. And this is the case. Para lang mapa-break yung guard. Okay? Ang goal lang naman dyan eh, huwag kang maging predictable even ground and pound. Kasi kung alam niyang ganyan na, ganyan na lang yan. Lagyan mo. Forearm. Okay? Sakpa rin. Para lang mag-break. Okay? Hindi lang mabasa. Kasi habang siya ay busy nagbabasa ko sa pagbablock, yung legs niya, in theory, hindi gumagalaw, lalo lang siya tumatagal doon. Kasi kung nabasa niya na 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, suntok ka, alam na niya, unconscious, he's just gonna hurt you. Pero kung nag-mix up ka, binabasa pa yung pattern ng suntok mo. Habang ang point niya yung nakahiga, at remember, this is a game of points, this is a game of time, napapanood na kita na ang tagalan niya nakupulod, pag ganun-ganun lang, ang laking potential naman natin. So kahit sa ground and pound, mix up. Right? Medyo yung sampal eh. Honestly, medyo sampal. Forearm. Gawin ko yung forearm na ginagawa mo. Slam din.
Yes,
okay? Alright, MMA na tayo. 4 minutes.